So guys, I really don't have a video for you. um I didn't get the chance to. I came home and I started cleaning and I forget to vlog, so we're just gonna put it there. But I saw some requests of some songs and I'm going to tackle them very soon, just not tonight. I'm not feeling, singing. But nevertheless, I hope your day has been far well spent, and I hope that you will have a fabulous night. Um, love you guys. See you guys hopefully in the, what you call it now, day 13. Yeah, I think we are. I don't remember. Anyway, bye. See you guys. Peace. Rockin' around.